For you to win in this business, my friend, this is the secret. You must be the person who understands the market the most. It's not about so much about the tactics on online marketing slash SEO slash ninja boosting tactic, whatever. It's about understanding your market, because you want to be that person. Now, when they hear, when they see, when you speak, or when you say, write an email, sa isip na oh man, naiintindihan ako ng tao na to. That's the thing. Because once na maramdaman nila yon, gets mo na sila, capture mo na sila. And I really believe 100% that you guys are all here because at some point in my marketing, I was able to communicate with you those things. Yung stories ko, ng challenge ko ng pagiging empleyado, naramdaman niyo yun, oh my God, yun din yung challenge ko ng empleyado. Yung like yung sinasabi, hila-hila ang paa, papasok sa opisina. Sino po dyan nakaka-relate? Type relate. Pag sinabi kong, oh, nangangarap ka na sana mas mahaba ang bakasyon or sana i-announce ni presidente na walang pasok. You guys can relate, right? It's not about tactics. It's about communication. But the thing here is this. How can you communicate with them effectively if you don't even know their problem, challenge, pain, and frustrations? The secret here is not jumping from one niche market to another niche market. No, because every time you jump from one niche market to another, you are basically starting from zero. Every single time you are starting from scratch. That's why do not think that you are working on your business by jumping from one niche market to another and to another and to another. No, you are basically starting from scratch every single time. The secret is going deep, not going wide. Meaning, go pick one niche market and go deep. Really understand them well, even to a point that you know them better than they know themselves. You know them so much than they know themselves. Wait, before you go, do not forget to click that red subscribe button below. Appreciate it. Thank you for watching.